Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. Okay, y'all, so y'all know I had to come to y'all again with another how to make video using these right here. Okay? All right. Now, for those of you who have been following me, y'all know I did a haul on these tumbling tower game pieces, and they come like this. They are plain, but what I decided to do was paint them. I'm going to show y'all an awesome earring that you can make today, okay, using these. Now, I have already taken the liberty to paint my piece, and it is black. So you're going to need 2 of these because you're going to be making a pair of earrings. You're going to need 2 fish hooks, and you're going to need some 20 gauge wire, these are flat nose pliers, some round nose pliers, and of course your wire cutters. And I'm hoping that y'all can find these. I'm hoping that, I'm going to bring this up just a tad bit. I'm hoping that y'all can find these pieces. Like I said, I purchased this from the $1.25 store. So let's go ahead and get started. But before I get started, I want to say thank you to the Most High Yah for continuing to bless us to see another wonderful day. And thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. And could y'all please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, so that this video can go into rotation so other people can enjoy it as well, okay? So the very first thing that I have done, okay, I'm using this artistic wire. And I did a video the other day talking to you all about the different types of wire, okay? And I have already taken the liberty to cut my piece, and my piece is about 25 inches long, okay? So basically what you're going to do, and this earring is going to be something really quick. I mean, you can make these in about less than 10 minutes, okay? So you're going to put your 2 ends together, pull it just like this, and you're going to squeeze the wire just like this. And I forgot to mention, y'all, you will need a ruler, okay? So I'm going to just come, and these are flat nose, but they have some ridges on in the inside of them. They got the flat, and then they got the part with the ridges, okay? So I'm just this really helps to make sure that I can do these the correct way. So all right, so this is what you want. So what you want to do next is you want to take your ruler and you want to measure up. You want to take and bring your piece, and then you want to take this and you're going to lay it just like this. Okay, you're going to lay it just like this, but you want to take your ruler because you want to measure up about 1.5 inches. So you want about 1.5 inches. Okay, so yeah, we're at 1.5 inches. So once you get there, right, you want to take and hold this over, and then you're going to come down to the bottom and you're going to push this down just like that. All right, once you push that down, then you're going to come this way and push it up this way. So you want to try to keep your pieces if at all possible, you want to try to make sure that they don't get twisted, because they'll overlap each other, okay? So this is pretty much what you are going to have, all right? Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take and pinch this piece that way, okay? Then the long piece, you're going to pinch this way, all right, just like that. And then you're going to wrap these two pieces together. So you're going to take and just wrap it, the long piece pretty much around the short piece, just like this, okay? And continue to wrap. All right, just what you see me doing is what you want to do. Continue to wrap around, just like this. And you want to go down as far as you can go, all right? Now when you get down to as far as you can go, all right, you want to take it down as far as you can go. This is what you're going to have. This is what your piece should be looking like this. You want to take your hands and just pull your wire apart, if at all possible, just a little bit, okay? Pull it apart just a little bit, all right? Now what you want to do next, once you pull it apart, you still got this right here. So you're just going to take, I'm going to take and bring it just like this, okay? And I'm going to take and wrap this around this piece, okay? So I'm just going to go just like this. And you can wrap it as many times as you see fit. I do this about 3 times. So I wrapped it about 3 times. You don't have to wrap it 3 times if you choose not to. Now, once you get here, you want to take your cutters and you just want to snip that off just like that. And then you want to take and come in and squeeze that. Okay, and this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now I'm going to take and separate this. I'm going to take my pliers and stick it through here, because I'm trying to separate it to pull it apart. Okay. All right. And you just want to pull it apart just like that. And that's what you're going to have. And then you just want to take your pliers and go in and make any adjustments as far as shaping it. Okay? And that's what you're going to have. Now, what you want to do next is you want this to be stabilized. You want it to be stable inside of the wrap. So you're just going to come here and you're going to take and just do just like that on your wire. And then you can come on this side and do the same thing. Okay? Flip it. Open it up a little bit more if you have to. One side, and then the other side. And as you can see, this is a beautiful, beautiful earring, and this can be worn to many affairs. This is an earring you can wear to the office. This is an earring you can wear when you're going out. This is an earring it's an awesome earring, okay? All right, so you want to take your fish hook, you slide your fish hook on, and I'm going to tell you something about this. These are, not only are they gorgeous, but they are lightweight. They're very, very lightweight, okay? Lightweight on the ears, very gorgeous, okay? And nobody will have these but you, because you created them. Okay? So I actually made this pair here, and then I made them in red. I have a red pair as well. All right, so y'all go and make plenty. And like I said, you can make so many things with these blocks. So I'm going to be coming to you all with another how to make video. I haven't decided. I'm actually putting some other things together, but I will have another one coming your way. All right. So with that being said, once again, I'm going to say, please thumbs up my videos so that my videos can go into rotation for others to see. And as you can see, this is not going anywhere. It's safe, okay? It's not going anywhere, all right? So thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. I want to say thank y'all so very much for all of your love and support. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Happy crafting, everyone. See ya.